Now, what do you have to say for yourself?
Why did you do that, Pedro?
You don't know. What do you have to say for yourself?
Are you glad you're free? Are you glad, Pedro, you're out of it?
No, he said he would have told her about that.
Are you happy to be free?
Unlike you.
Huh?
I don't even know your favorite color.
I'm a CIA man.
Huh?
So tell us again how you got stuck. Tell us how you got stuck.
Pedro, how did you get stuck up there? How did you get stuck up there?
What happened? How you get stuck?
Bird.
You don't have any comments? None.
Are you dismissing us now? Huh?
You don't want to talk to. You don't want to face the camera and tell the American public, hey, you got stuck in the China cabinet.
Oh my God.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Pedro, why did you chew up on the cabinet? Huh? Why did you tell you to do? Huh?
You felt bad. Why you chewing it? You don't know. Why don't you know?
And that way he's telling you leave him alone.
So you don't want to talk to him, so you got your back to the camera because you're embarrassed and you don't want to talk about it?
Are you embarrassed? Huh?
You don't want to go. We're not going to get rid of you. We just want to know why you got stuck in the cabinet.
Why did you chew a hole?
You don't know.
And what are you laughing at, Miss Purnella?
What's your comments? What's your comments?
No, what? She was probably watching him all day.
Did you see him when he got stuck in the cage? Did you see him when he got stuck in the cabinet?
Bye-bye.
What did you have to say?
Oh, wait a minute. We should call them. Wait a minute, babe. I got to call them.
What?
You got to call them and send that video to them.
Mm-hmm.
The phone. Let me call them. As soon as I can get up on this.
What? Purnella, why you let him chew a hole in the thing in the cabinet? Okay. Okay, what?
Bye-bye. Now we can blackmail you. See, we can blackmail you now.
You can't say bye-bye. You got caught stuck in the cabinet.
I'm about to prepare that cabinet.
And Purnella's out here laughing at you. You laughing at him?
You'd like to know.
You'd like
to know.
We like to know how you got caught in the cabinet. How you get caught in the cabinet? Huh?
Okay.
Come in.
Okay.
So how you feel about it?
Oh, God. Now, Purnella, what did he do? What did he do, Mommy?
What did he do, Purnella? You was here watching him. What did he do? How he get caught? How he get himself caught in the China cabinet? Okay. That's all you gotta say is okay?
No comment? Yes, no comment?
You're not gonna tell us how he got himself caught in the China cabinet? Okay. Now once again, this is the bird that managed to get himself stuck today.
How many hours you been there? We do not know. And of all nights, of date night.
And he declined to comment on his situation. All he had to say was this.
You declined to comment, Pedro? Huh? What? Why did huh? Why did you do it? Why did you put up on Mommy's cabinet? Reggie's gonna get you.
One wants to come in and stand. I want to come in.
Okay.
That's from the peanut gallery right there. All she can say is okay.
You need to get in your cage. Get in your cage, Metro.
Put it down.
Get in your cage. You're a bad boy. Come on, let's go. Come in your cage.
I came to hear the picture and you stuck in these where you weren't supposed to be.
Never mind.
Never mind. No, you can't get out of it. Don't buy us. We like Fox News. We gonna keep on you until you give us a comment. So how in the world you get stuck? Bye bye. That's all you gotta say for yourself?
At least he ain't tell you to get out.
That's all you got to say? That's all you got to say for yourself?
Oh God, it's too funny.
Is that all you got to say for yourself? Bye bye.
He said, "You paparazzi, you got to go. Bye bye. Go." We're gonna black baby Pedro now.
Well, once again, this is the bird who managed to get himself stuck in the china cabinet, to eat himself into the china cabinet. America's dumbest criminals. Got himself stuck and couldn't get out. Had to be rescued by the authorities. Let this be a lesson to you.